Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Fiesta car key battery. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. These are common items, easily found at most stores. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task usually takes just a few minutes, so let's get started and restore full functionality to your key fob. Now let's open up the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the key ring attaches. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert it into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, the two halves of the key fob should separate. Be careful not to use too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. It's a CR2032 coin cell. Before you remove it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Now, it's time to put everything back together. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing and press them firmly until they click securely into place. Once reassembled, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your car doors from a short distance. It should work perfectly. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.